In this video, I'm making Parmesan crusted fish. So what I've done is mixed together a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, some parsley flakes, ground black pepper, and we got the olive oil here that we're going to mix in as well. And we're going to cook this in the Optigrill. Okay, we're going to take some olive oil and dump the olive oil on the, these are cod loins. Dump the olive oil on the cod. And we're going to coat it all around. So we got oil all over the cod. Okay, we're going to take the mixture of Parmesan, paprika, parsley, sprinkle that on. Get all that all over there. Okay, now that everything's coated pretty good, we're going to let this sit here for a few minutes and then we're going to put it on the Optigrill. Okay, so our fish has sat here a little bit. Got all the spices on it. So we're going to preheat the Optigrill and we'll hit the power button. And we've got hamburgers, chicken, sandwiches, pork, beef, and fish. So we'll hit the fish and we hit the flashing OK button. So the Optigrill is going to warm up and it's going to beep when it's done, and then we'll put our fish on and let it cook. Okay, the Optigrill is all preheated, so we'll grab our fish here, lay it on there. Oh yeah. Okay, close the lid. And we're going to let it cook until the display turns yellow, and then our fish will be done. Okay, the light's yellow, and it's been about 5 minutes, and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfectly grilled. So we'll take them off the grill here. The non-stick works well, they come right off. They're awfully flaky. And as you can see, flaked right apart. We'll hit the power button, turn it off, and as you can see, they are perfectly cooked and flaky. I'm going to take a little lemon that I cut up, squeeze it on there, and then I'm going to make up a little tartar sauce and have my fish. Put a little seasoning on the side, a little Parmesan cheese on the side that I can sprinkle on there. So there you go. Cod loins perfectly grilled in the Optigrill. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and also like my video if you would. Thanks.